everybody. I am going to demonstrate today for you how to prepare a delicious and refreshing Memorial Day beverage. Today we are making Cranberry Limeade. This is a non-alcoholic beverage. It is not carbonated, so you can easily stick it into the fridge when you're done with it, and it will be good the next day. What we have is our cranberry juice. We've got 1 1/4 cups of sugar in here. We've got 3 cups of water plus some limes. I am in the process of juicing some limes. We're going to take about 10 limes, juice them. Before we do anything else though, I need to get about a tablespoon of lime zest. So I've got our lime and our grater here. We're going to just grate up a whole bunch of stuff and get that into our drink. Okay, I'm going to guess that this is just about a tablespoon. And now we are going to juice the rest of these limes. Get that out of the way. And try to not cut the finger, if at all possible. Get these limes juiced up right quick. What's going to happen is I'm going to get the rest of this lime in here. We're going to top it off with cranberry juice, stir in the sugar, and we will be done. Actually, folks, I think I'm going to stir in the sugar first because I don't want to run out of space. Give that a stir, and now I'm going to add the cranberry juice. And you talk about a quick and easy beverage for Memorial Day. It doesn't get any quicker and easier than this. The limeade is finished, and I have a feeling it tastes delicious. Everybody knows Sandy. This is Sandy's granddaughter, Tegan. Hi, Tegan. Thanks for coming and helping today. And cheers.
Cheers! Cheers!
Tastes delicious.